Since 2001, RS Forklifts Training have been providing training to candidates from around the UK from our innovative Birmingham training centre and at customers' premises. Over the years, our customer base have returned to us time and time again, which has seen the company move into a larger, more advanced training centre. We're fully accredited with the RT-ITB, and all training is delivered by qualified instructors with over 30 years experience. Catering to a diverse population, instruction is available in a variety of languages including English, Urdu, Punjabi, Bengali, Polish and Romanian. All of this comes together to make sure our 97.8% pass rate is always improving. Candidates who don't quite make it first time round are covered by Pass Plus insurance, which allows them to take a retest at no additional cost. Due to a high influx of inquiries for other equipment, we provide training on the following: counterbalance lift truck, reach lift truck, bendi lift truck, and the pedestrian pallet truck. Once you've completed your counterbalance lift truck, the reach, bendi, and pedestrian pallet truck are available as conversion courses, which saves candidates the cost of separate courses. Our aim is to deliver the training to the highest standards at all times. Our Google and Yelp reviews reflect this commitment to quality. If you decide to book with us, you're welcome to arrange an appointment and have a free induction where you can speak to our experienced staff who can advise on the best course for you and discuss your employment opportunities. We also offer weekend courses because at RS Forklifts we understand that candidates find it difficult during weekdays, so we have instructors in place to deliver the training at weekends. In order to make our courses more accessible, we offer a Train Now, Pay Later scheme that allows candidates to pay over a series of months instead of one single upfront fee. To find out more about our training, visit our website at rsforklift-training.co.uk, where you will find our contact details, or call us today on 0121 411 0727.